A no-show costs a contractor more than just one missed job because it blocks your schedule, wastes travel time, and leaves gaps that could have been paid work. By the end of this, you'll know how to reduce no-shows, what to do when a customer doesn't appear, and how to protect your schedule so it stops happening repeatedly. The fix isn't reacting faster. It's building a system that prevents no-shows from being easy in the first place. Here's how to handle it. First, confirm every appointment automatically. Tools like Jobber and House Call Pro can send booking confirmations and reminders without you doing anything manually. The customer gets a confirmation right after booking, then reminder messages closer to the appointment. That alone filters out a lot of accidental no-shows. Second, require clear job confirmation. Instead of treating a booking as final, make the customer confirm the appointment through a message or link. If they don't confirm, you treat it as tentative and follow up before dispatching a tech. This step removes a lot of "I forgot" situations. Third, tighten your arrival process. When your technician is on the way, send a live, on the way notification instead of a vague time window. Customers are more likely to be ready when they know you're actively coming. Now here's what most contractors miss. No-shows usually happen before the job starts, not during it. That means your system should focus on the hours leading up to the appointment, not just the moment you arrive. Fourth, protect your schedule with deposits or minimum fees when appropriate. Even a small upfront commitment changes how seriously customers treat the booking. It reduces casual cancellations and last-minute disappearances. Fifth, always have a cancellation policy visible. If customers know there's a cost for missed appointments, they are far more likely to show up or cancel properly in advance. Now what to do when a no-show actually happens? Don't leave immediately. Wait a short, defined window, then send a message confirming you were on site and offering a reschedule link. That keeps the interaction professional and preserves the lead instead of losing it. So here's the simple system. Automated reminders, required confirmations, live arrival updates, and clear policies that set expectations before the job is booked. Your next step is to turn on reminders for every appointment and track how many no-shows you get over the next 2 weeks. If you want more ways to stabilize your schedule and reduce wasted time, like and subscribe for more contractor workflow fixes.